Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your Steam apps folder. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Steam, I need you to click the Create an Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding your Steam apps folder is an easy and a straightforward process, especially if you want to back up your game files to an external drive or cloud storage to prevent data loss or to make reinstalling easier. Now, if you're moving to a new computer or want to free up space on your primary drive, you can move your Steam library to a different location because some games require you to manually place mods or other custom files in the game's directory. If a game is not functioning properly, you might need to delete or replace specific files. Knowing where folder is helps you manually verify or repair game files. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you install the Steam application on your computer. All right, let's do that right now. It's available on the Mac, Steam, and Google Chrome. All right. Now, once you have located the directory folder, I just want you to click on the Steam, okay, and click on the Steam apps. All right. Now, basically, when you find the Steam app folder, if a game is not functioning properly, you might want to need to delete or replace specific files. Knowing where the folder is, like this one, helps you manually verify or repair game files. Now, you see, in most cases, moving your games to a drive with more available space or adjusting the installation location can help manage your storage better, because some games have configuration files that can be edited to tweak settings beyond what's available in the game's menu. And if you encounter any problems along the way locating your Steam apps folder, you might want to contact the Steam support, okay? And from here, all I'm gonna do is go to the topics that you're having problem with, press enter. Of course, from here, you see there's a lot. Or you might want to go to the official Steam Discord server. They have like 100,000 members, active users in the community. And if you post your questions on how to find your Steam apps folder, one of them will give you insights on troubleshooting steps in case you are having problems or issues with it. All right. Knowing where your Steam or Steam apps folder is located can help you manage your games and systems more effectively, troubleshoot issues, and ensure your game data is safe and well organized. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.